Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I have the Victorian chair to redo. I know this. We've already kind of started it off and you've all voted for painting. So you're right. Nobody buys dark furniture. Case in point, before we get to the Victorian chair, this needs an update. So this chair, it's a ladder back chair that has been in my inventory for some time. And unfortunately, because it's been in my inventory for some time, it has suffered some damage. So there is scratches and it has a seat that I feel like needs a little updating, a change out, because people clearly weren't resonating with the choices that I made. So we're going to change that up really fast. So I have a new piece to put in the shop this month. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of that story. Let me get you a close-up of the chair so you can see what it looks like. So there are some scratches here and there and everywhere, and I don't mean some, I mean a significant amount of scratches, and including the legs, all that good stuff. And then at the time I had picked this lantern pattern, peach colored chair cover, fabric for the seat, and no one seems to like it. So, well, darn. I have decided, instead of repainting this, we're going to shabby it some more. We're just going to take this and enhance it like we did with my client's chair. Remember the doctor chair that I kind of just distressed the heck out of? And I picked some fabrics. Let me show you guys. So I have the new fabrics that I got at the yard sale. I love this one. I absolutely adore this one. That might look good against the black. We have a kind of a green theme going on this month in the booth with the buffet that's going in. So possibly this one would be cute with the black. I don't think that looks too bad. I have also, I think I've already eliminated this one as a possibility. This one's okay. I don't love it. I don't love it, but that's an option. This stripe is an option. It's okay. I mean, yeah, it's okay. I don't like this one at all. It's too similar to what's on there already. This one I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no to the green version. Absolutely not. Navy and black, no way. This is a possibility. This is also one of the new pieces that I picked up. And I think as far as shabby chic, it kind of would go with that, right? Let's see. It would kind of go with the vintagey, shabby, chic-y look. And there's a blue velvet. Very light blue velvet. But I think my top three choices are the three brand new ones. So it's this one, or that one. Let me think on that. All right, I'm down to two choices now. So either this one or this one. The bird is still in the running, but I think I'm leaning more towards this one. I'll be honest with you. The Ralph Lauren kind of shabby roses. I just feel like if I'm shabbying this up, it's gonna look better with this. And I like this red with the dark because we're going into fall for September. And the green on that buffet is really specific. That's why I don't want to put another green in there. And this has stripes, which I really hate working with stripes. I don't know why I keep buying striped fabric. You gotta make sure those suckers are straight. Like, straight. If you're even slightly off, the whole pattern goes wonky and people notice, believe me. Like, it has to be straight. And it's kind of a pain in the butt to work with. And I've become very adept at it because I keep buying stripes. I don't know what I'm thinking when I buy stripes. This is a bit more forgiving as far as putting it on. You can kind of just go with, I want a big flower in the middle. I think this is the one. I think it will soften the dark too. The birds are way more formal. It was very, very formal fabric. I think the flowers are going to be less formal and soften this, and the colors are very rich. They'll go with that dark black. It's not dark color, it's just black. It's the black color. So I'm going to get my sander prepped here. Yes, I know. Okay, somebody mentioned that I'm using round discs on my sander. That's what I have. If this bothers you, you should look away. It doesn't bother me so much because they wrap around the edge of the mouse and you can kind of get into the edges. And I've been liking having the round on them. And now I kind of just leave them on there. But this is what I have. And I don't like my orbital sander. I freaking hate the orbital sander. So if this triggers you, look away, because this is what's going to be on my triangular shaped mouse. Let me get the seat off and set that aside. I think I'm also going to put a thicker cushion on this chair, and hopefully that helps somebody see this as having a little more value than I mean, it didn't sell. It was a lot of months in the shop, in and out, and then I pulled it out to just let it sit and calm down for a while, and then it got moved around and damaged, and it's time to give it some love. So let me get the seat off and get it sanded, and then I think what I'll do, okay, the brown glaze over black gives the wood a very vintage look, but it kind of dulls the surface of the black. So I think I'm going to try the smoke, and I haven't tried the smoke before. Please, Lord, don't let this be one of those moments I regret where I end up having to redo the whole thing. Can we just have a conversation, dear gods of DIY, that you're going to be with me on this one and I'm not going to have to redo the whole chair? I've been very good this year. I have rescued a lot. I think it's time to work with me. All right. My prayers have been said. Now I'm saying that, I'm going to go after this chair. All right, she's sanded like crazy and dusted all the crud off of it. It looks like it. Let me show you close up. I don't know why I put you back in the clip. I always want to show you the close up. And now I'm having a crisis. Like, do I hit it with the brown or do I hit it with the smoky color? Because I like seeing the brown come through, but I don't like how dull it makes it. It already looks dull. I think I'm gonna have to try a little gray, but let me show you close up. So I just went ahead and just distressed the crap out of it and blended the genuine damage in with the faux damage, and now we're gonna glaze it. And what do? I start opening the aged glaze. Would have made my choice for me real quick, wouldn't it? All right, smoked glaze is gray. complements cool tones. I don't know. Is black a cool tone? I don't know tones. I'm gonna say it is, because I'm gonna try it. Dear gods of DIY, I've been good to you. I've been good to you. I'm gonna do this off camera in case I swear. Okay, I don't hate it. So this has the glaze on it. And for context, let me show you. This does not. So you can see here where the raw wood is that I sanded. This had the same raw edge as did this one. It just blends it back in with the piece, and you don't have a piece that looks like you just sanded the crap out of it. It just looks kind of worn away. So I don't hate it. I'm going to continue on. I'm going to keep going. You've seen the glaze process a million times with me. For those of you who are interested, brush it on, dab it off. I let it sit for a minute so that it does have an opportunity to soak in. If I take too much off, I just dab a little more on it and let it sit till I'm happy with the color. And that's how I do the raw portion. The rest of it, just wipe it on, rub it on, let it sit, dab it off. Okay, that's what we're doing. Okay, I have removed all the staples, and then there's batting, extra foam, and then the new fabric. And I'm out in the shop, my husband's shop. I'm gonna staple it all down. Now, the eagle eye among you may notice that I've changed my clothes. That's because the next day, I actually finished it last night. I didn't get to. You can wash my hands off. I didn't get to screw it down last night because I was tired. No excuses. It would have taken me 15 minutes, but, not even that. But I was tired, y'all. Like, I came in from doing my whole daily thing, and I was done. So I went to bed. But I finished it this morning, and it looks great. You want to see it? So there she blows. She's now a distressed, sort of shabby chic. I like the fabric with the black. I'm very happy with that. I wasn't sure I would be. Like, I got it on there and went, and then I brought it in and I matched it up with the seat, and I'm happy. I think it looks better. I think it's going to sell better than the lantern pattern. That pink was a very specific pink. This is more of a generic pink. I can see this. I've added extra cushion. You can tell it's thicker than it was before. So now I can see this as like a sewing chair for somebody in their craft room because it's more comfortable. It's a way more comfortable chair for them to use. So we sell a lot of sewing chairs, like onesie, twosie chairs for people that sew, but they definitely need to be more comfortable for somebody to sit in it all day. And I've sold a lot of onesie, twosie chairs. So for this one to still be here was a surprise. And it needed to be updated. So let that be a lesson to all of us. If you make a mistake, don't be afraid to try again, right? Like that color combination, that pattern was so specific, it didn't find the right buyer. I made a mistake. My choices were wrong. But I can redo it. We can start again, right? Like, I didn't have to start from scratch. I didn't have to repaint it white. Just give it a little something different and maybe it'll sell. So let that be a lesson to you in life too. If you make a mistake, you can always try again. Don't be afraid to try new things. I tell my daughter that all the time. I know. I'm like one of those people that goes, new thing, jump in with both feet. But not everybody's like that, right? So I want to try the new thing. And if I fail, I go, oh, why did I fail? Let's try it again. Let's do it again. I think I can do it this time. I'm that player in a video game that just keeps diving off the cliff and diving off the cliff and diving off the cliff, and then you realize there's a freaking ladder. Yeah, that's me. I'm that character. I'm the one that's like, I'm going to go again. Let me try. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.